super busy fixing lots of airplanes, but we did get out for some formation flying with the Thurston Teal. I hope everyone's doing well, and we hope to have some good videos coming for you shortly. As with any formation flying, make sure you got a good brief first, and that you trust the person you're flying with. Get some flying done, everyone. Happy tailwinds.